It's Tuesday, February 11th, 2025. It is 6:30 and the market's open. Gonna wait our first 5 minutes, get some levels set, and then wait for our 5-minute break and retest strategy to present itself. We got a little bit of news today. I think Powell's speaking at 7 o'clock my time, so we're gonna be doing a little bit of hand sitting before that news. All right, 6:35. We have our first 5-minute level set. 5-minute high, 5-minute low. This is going to be our pre-market high. I did set a new liquidity level. This was a weekly liquidity level from last week. Looks like we came down and touched it and now are bouncing off of it. Again, we have Jerome Powell speaking, the Fed chairman, at 7 o'clock today. He's going to cause a bit of a ruckus in the market, so we're going to wait until he speaks, see what happens, wait for the news to settle, and then see if our strategy presents itself at all. All right, there's about 1 minute left until Powell is going to be speaking to Congress. I'm going to see what effects it has on the market. It looks like President Trump is supposed to speak today at some point too. It does not say a time, so hopefully it's not like right afterwards. Normally he likes to speak in the afternoon, but we'll see. And there's the 7 o'clock news. A little bit uneventful. I was expecting a little bit more of a spike, but that's fine. Getting some good displacement here. All right, looks like Powell said that banks don't need to be in a hurry to lower interest rates further. So we'll see how the market reacts to that. I'd like to see a little bit of retest back down into our 5-minute level here before we enter into what would be a long. All right, we just had our break into our 5-minute high level. We had a nice, slow, steady step down, about 3 candles into this. I want to see this candle close. Ideally, it would be nice to have it close above. It's okay if it closes into it. We'll see what the next candle, how it reacts. Price action's been very slow. Looks like there's low liquidity right now, low volume right now. I guess people are still hesitant after Powell speaking and knowing that Trump is going to talk at some point today. All right, we had another candlestick close slightly below the 5-minute low, so it wasn't within our strategy. Gonna wait to see how this candle reacts. Much better. Cool. Wait for this candle close, and then we'll hop into a long.
Order submitted.
That was another candlestick close above the 5-minute high level here. There's a lot of pressure being built up right now. We're going to see a pop happening pretty soon. I don't like how this price action is moving. We're getting a lot of indecisiveness back and forth here. Yeah, it looks like we're still waiting for Trump to come and speak. I don't really have much more news on like when he actually will speak. So right now we're creating a tiny upward trend. We are getting higher lows and we're starting to create higher highs here. I want to be able to continue this momentum up. I'm probably going to close out of this position once I hit my price target here. I'm not really a fan of how this is all moving here. Very low volume for the day. Yeah, we're struggling right here. I'm gonna call it for the day.
Order submitted.
All right. We had Powell speak today, and then Trump is going to speak at some point. And whenever he speaks, the market just goes wild. I don't want to get into some trouble. We'll call it a small win today, up about $400. We stuck to the strategy. It worked. There's just a ton of hesitation, a lot of low volume in the market right now. I'm okay with this. I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading.